Whether you're a paid professional or a homeowner, pressure washing can make fast work of cleaning and preparing surfaces of all kinds. But pressure washing is tiring and messy work. To get maximum performance, users have to constantly bend, stretch, squat, and kneel to get the results they're looking for. That's why HYDE designed the unique pivot nozzle wand, where the power of the pivot allows the tool to do the work instead of the user's body. With a simple turn of the handle, the nozzle twists up or down, allowing the user to redirect the spray as the job requires. Other wands point straight ahead, which makes the work difficult, awkward, and dangerous. HYDE's pivot nozzle wand lets you stand back out of the line of fire, but still spray at the correct angles. And you can work from a standing position instead of bending and reaching. Pressure washers are excellent for removing scale, algae, peeling paint, and road salt. But when maximum cleaning power is required, the tip must be kept at a 90-degree angle to the work surface. Spraying at other angles delivers a glancing blow that diminishes the power of the spray. With the HYDE Pivot Nozzle Wand, the user has far more versatility and control. Simply twist the grip right to angle the spray head up, or twist left to angle it down. This can be done even when the trigger is activated. For those in maintenance or construction, jobs like pressure washing can be tiring and even dangerous. Workers who bend and stretch all day, every day, are prone to back and shoulder injuries. With the Pivot Nozzle Wand, the tool takes the brunt of the work rather than the user.
I love the way that you don't have to move as much. You don't have to move your arms as much. It covers a greater area. It just saves a lot of movement, where you're twisting your wrist and you're getting the movement that you need versus moving your body. It's going to make my business a lot easier.
Changing your angle is also important for washing hard-to-reach areas, like the railings of a deck, lattice at the top of a fence, the underside of a boat, the wheel wells of a truck, or the mud-splattered interior of an ATV. For applications like cleaning homes, keeping a downward angle keeps water from penetrating the siding. The HYDE Pivot Nozzle Wand lets you do this without a ladder.
With the Pivot Nozzle Wand, I can get into very high places easily. I use the pivot nozzle to get into all the crevices, and it's very light, so I can hold it easier in my hand and gives me more balance. What I didn't like about the original pressure washer was its angles. It's very difficult to hold over my head. If I'm on a ladder, it's very difficult to keep my balance. The pivot wand is very easy to use, got a comfortable grip, very light, nice balance.
It's very, very comfortable and so easy to do. It's amazing. I like power washing. Now I do.
These HYDE wands come in two sizes. The 40-inch wand for heavy-duty jobs fits standard quarter-inch threaded guns and is rated for up to 4,000 pounds per square inch of pressure. The 28-inch wand handles up to 3,200 psi for medium-duty washing. It fits all M22 threaded guns. Both wands work with standard and spiral-style tips. These professional-grade tools are engineered for durability with brass fittings, a chrome-plated steel shaft, a strong, lightweight housing, and non-slip comfort grip. Whether you're a professional who makes a living pressure washing or a home pro working around the house, the HYDE Pivot Nozzle Wand will save you time and effort on every job. And as any pro will tell you, time is money.